I am Purnashri. I'm a UI UX designer. So, firstly, I would like to thank my mentors for giving me this delightful opportunity for presenting my case study today. Because wedding is something you can't, you know, regret for what you have done. So, you have to do everything in an organized way, and you have to cherish in your whole life, like my wedding was happened in this way and that way and all of things. So people basically they start planning the wedding almost 3 to 6 months before their what is Notmate? Notmate is a platform where you can plan your dream wedding without any kind of stress. I cannot say without any, like, not even 1%. It's nothing like that, because obviously everybody will have, but I'm making sure that, like, I can reduce something in whatever you feel. So this is the overview of my project. So here the duration I have taken is 7 weeks, and here I'm using iOS uh, platform. I mean iOS platform, because it is in iOS 13 mini. It is a platform where both Android and iOS devices can support to all the devices. You don't be having any kind of clash to access in any phone. Problem statement: the problem is something like couples and vendors facing difficulties in planning and executing things, and also vendors, even they find difficulties, because nowadays there are many people who can offer these kind of services, but they are not too much recognized, and it is something that even for them the business is not happening in that way they have dreamed of. What is 4W plus H design process is, we are, as soon as we define the problem and solution, the first thing we are going to do is defining what exactly the problem and who we are solving it for. And next is design process, and we all know that we are going to design the whole thing with the 6 design process, that is discover, empathize, design, and ideate, prototype, and testing. So in each stage we are going to learn every new things, and if you are very new to this UI UX field, you will be eager in everything. Coming to this user journey, this is the first thing where we are going to actually start with our project. So here we have to find out what are the pain points of the user and what they are actually expecting, because we have, first, our preferences is to satisfy the person who actually wants this, who actually wants to use this platform. So first thing is, like, in your user journey, these are the direct competitors. They're not Zolo, WedMeGood, and Wedding Wire. These are all the direct competitors. Like, here are few reviews where people are saying that they are not that satisfied with their facilities, whatever they are providing, and the services whichever they are providing. So these are all the potential competitors which are exist nearby our areas. So here also we can find a lot of complaints and problems from users after the research. I have got all these reviews through Google reviews, and from some website or something like that. People have shared their problems. So through all these, I could understand their problems, concerns, their suggestions, and it's already done. Their marriage is already done, but still they regret in some things, and they also want somebody else not to face the same kind of problem. So that's the reason. Next is user persona. User persona is after you have the interview with the people, you will get to know what exactly their frustrations means, the problems they are facing, and what they want to achieve through all that, their motivations, and all of things. So this is the first one, Bindu, who was about to get married within few months. So I, when I started asking questions or something like that, So the second user is Yashashwini, who is recently got married, and also she's a mother. She faced a few problems. She didn't had any kind of wedding planner for her preparations. Their family had their own, because that was the first marriage of their family. So she got to know many problems, because the one which she planned doesn't happen in the way she expected. So she actually depressed a lot, saying that I missed that these things due to some things, at last moment any changes can happen. Then third user is Chaitra. She's an IT professional, and she was been married before 3 months, and she told about her whole experience. She only had 2 months for her whole wedding preparations, which was very difficult, in which she couldn't even do as she wanted. But she tried her best, but she couldn't do the way she wanted. So she actually faced main problem in her venue thing, because there wasn't no proper AC in that venue. Even after asking queries regarding what are all the facilities available in the venue, she realized on her wedding day that they venue people, that vendor service people, they themselves thought that they can adjust with the natural air, and they did not switch on ACs and all. So due to AC she suffered a lot. It turned out her whole wedding. So these are all some features we have included in my platform. A budget tracking tool, because in all other apps there will not be that kind of satisfactory budget tracking tool. But in my thing I have implemented with the they can update, once if they update their budget, they can track each and everything from starting to end point. They can track the whole budget, whatever they are spending throughout their wedding. So this is the speciality of budget tracking. So this is the search screen wherein you can enter all these details, and once you hit this search button you will be navigating to this page, wherein based on your details, your things, your venues or catering people, whatever the service providers are available in our platform, they will be displayed over here. And here you can also customize the capacity, facility, budget range, everything, whatever based on people's preferences, you can customize here. And after that you will be receiving what exactly you are expecting. So yes, the special feature of the location page is that people, in Google Map you can only just see the where you can go, how long it takes, and how much of kilometers it is, how far away it is, and where is the traffic and all of things. But here in my platform, as one of my user told that her makeup artist was late to the that particular venue. So she got the delay in her photo shoot, and it was completely ruined. So that's the reason people can track over here. Once the I just want to tell you that in wedding industry, they actually aim to revolutionize wedding industry in a digital platform, wherein this is the platform where you can go on go, you can access everything, and you can have a seamless wedding planning, effortless wedding preparations and all of things, because you don't need to switch to any other apps. From in the online only you can plan each and everything simultaneously with less pressure. So that's the reason I have come up with this particular project, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.